Alright, so if you are looking at the channel for the first time, I'm P3P, my cameraman, AP.
Yo.
And it's basically going to be a YouTube channel on my RSX Type S. It's basically stock for the most part. I have a K28-2 that's maybe pushing what, like 170 horsepower, 170, 190 horsepower. Supposedly, I don't know. But I don't have the bumper on because if y'all looked at the previous video, I put some Mishimoto fans on, so I still haven't done that. But it's pretty much it. It's silver car, NKR PF1s. I have K Pro. I have Buddy Club ball joints, painted the roof black. This piece fell off right here. And as y'all can see right here, someone tried breaking into my car, so they broke all this. And painted the roof black. The whole car is dirty. We're gonna be recording a video on cleaning the car because it's super filthy, but this is pretty much the interior right now. As of right now, nothing crazy. Pretty stock. I have the RSX all-season weather floor mats, and then I also have the RSX Type S carpet floor mats on the bottom. Hybrid racing short throw shifter. I think that's the version 3. Don't quote me on that. Maybe. I have an Auto touchscreen Momo steering wheel without the quick release. I want to do the headliner black. I just did a video also on tail lights, on how I got into an accident. I'm going to show the tail lights. These are the new tail lights on the RSX. You want to show from this side? Yeah. The new tail lights. Got a steal on them. I think they were like $50 or something like that. Anyways, the Acura emblem. I got the Integra emblem. I just haven't put it on. I don't know if I should do like Integra RSX Type S just to keep it like the Japanese and then the USD. I have a Mugen rear lip. I have Mugen side skirts. I have a Mugen front lip. And I do have my front bumper, I promise. And this is another, probably the seat is not messed up. I was just sitting in it.
Pretty much it.
If y'all see my cluster, if it's dirty, that's because I was using a damn chemical guy's product, and it just, the residue stayed on there. I don't know.
So what you got in your head now?
So look, this came in the mail. Christmas came early.
It's crazy. What Christmas?
Look, check it out. Hybrid racing. I had a K-tuned short throw shifter. I was racing a C8 Z06.
Stop.
Let me tell you. Once he heard me go into boost and I hit third, it snapped. I think I'm gonna try to put a picture in right now. I think I have one. I don't know. But we're gonna see. So I still have the K-tune shift on it. But now, what we're gonna do is replace that K-tune shift knob with. Wait, they have to guess the color first. The shift knob. What color do you think it is? Black, gray, to match the car. Red.
Give him 3 seconds.
What color do you think it is? I got 3 seconds.
1, 2, 3.
Alright, then we'll come back over here. It's a red shift knob. Look at this. See, look at the detail. What does it say? Hybrid racing. Look at the shift knob. Racing. What do you guys think? Upgrade or no upgrade? Check it. That's how it looks now. Basically it. What you guys think? What you guys think about it? What you guys think? Take a look. And right now my brother's about to record me. We're about to go up and down the street. And yeah. Oh, and this is also my NRG Momo steering wheel that I put on here. It's a little faded. You might get a different one. You know, of Monte Carlo steering wheel, maybe Monte Carlo, maybe like a Monte Carlo steering wheel, like the old Monte Carlos, like the. Anyways, let's go drive it to see how it feels. So my car does work, guys. So we turned it on, we pushed it, we jumped it because you know the car is a yonky. Look, I did a little muffin a while ago. I thought probably I'll throw it away. Anyways, boom. See how it works. And see. Ooh. Calling out all the 1,000 horsepower CTSVs on the street.
Stop it.
Check it. No cars coming. No cars coming. Feels good. Fourth feels good. Feels even more lightweight. I think the other shifter was heavier. You see? That's third. I like how it feels nicer. It feels nicer than the other one. I like this look. I usually drive around like this. Something like that. It feels good. Feels nice. See how it feels going in reverse. Let's do a little turn right here. There's a little 3-point turn. 3-point turn. No power steering, boys. That's a video for another day. I'm actually doing sourcing a upgrade on the power steering because this is unacceptable. We have no power steering. No pulls because I need to do an oil change. Check it. Feels good. We're in Mexico, by the way. We're not breaking no rules. We're in Mexico right now. But yeah, what do you think?
It's perfect.
Feels good, right?
Yeah.
I like how it feels. But yeah, if y'all wanna, on the next video, what we're gonna be doing is kind of tired of just seeing through this, and then my shifter's all dirty now, all musty. So what we're gonna do is, I picked up one of these. Well, a family member gave it to me. Just he sold this car. He was like, "Yo, you don't have a?" I was like, "Nah," because I want people to see my shifter that I got an upgrade. We might be installing this one in the next video. What do you guys think? You think maybe it'll go good together? Maybe a black one? See, maybe a black with red? Maybe a black with like red stitching? Maybe. But for right now, this is what we got. So, yeah, hear that? Short. Look, show them. Short. Look, first, short. Second, third. All of them are short. So, let me know what you guys think. Make sure you like and subscribe. And yeah, just follow the page to see what we do with the car. Maybe we might boost it, or we might boost it. Maybe we might go to Mexico and hurt some feelings in this car, maybe all motor like that. But yeah, just comment down below if you want to know anything about my car, any upgrades. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching the video.